Hello everyone, my name's CalebMeyer, and that's me, picture right there. See if we can turn the slide. Okay, getting to know me. Okay, so a little bit about me. I'm from Pleasant View, Utah. My degree right now is in applied health. I've done a few classes on this. One was communicable and non-communicable diseases, intro to health, program planning and implementation, hospital health administration. Some of my hobbies are reading, video games, hiking, and cooking. My favorite scripture is Matthew 11:28 through 30. And it says, "Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you, and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." One of my career goals is to become a hospital health administrator. And I just love to do that because I want to work with the community. I want to be able to help others that are in need. Last semester, I took a class called Health Administration. They mentioned that working towards being an admin over an ASC, which is an ambulatory service center, would be a good place to start at. Because my eventual goal would be to actually work in a hospital. But other than that, I have no prior health experience other than being the recipient of it. So a few things that I want to learn from this class is an increased knowledge that will help me in my career path, a strong direction on where to start in my career, and learn new ideas on how I can help the community. That's a little bit about me. Thank you.